wings from that place, shit, I don't even remember the name. Chicken wings place over there in Koreatown that said chicken wings from Georgia, U.S.A. Whoa! Little pole right there. So that's where we're headed. Thank everybody for joining us on this little quick video. Think about going out tonight, maybe walking around, walk the street. Cause it's Saturday night and I ain't got nobody. I got some money cause I just got paid. And how I wish I had some chick to talk to. I'm in an awful way. Just give you a little look around of the sights and the sounds. That's the way we walked yesterday, baby. Much easier to ride, ain't it? Folks, there's no telling how many kilometers we walked yesterday. We were wiped out last night when we got in. We were both tired. Walking in this hot sun down this road. I mean, it's okay walking around here. This is where we walk. We walk this whole route. But as you pass all of the, you get on the far side of that coffee place, there's no room to walk along the side of this road. Some activity going on at the school over here. City College of Angeles City. Alright folks, here we are. 101 Top Wings. Buffalo wings from Georgia, U.S.A. Here we go. Alright folks, here we are inside this place. Too cool inside. Got some nice graphics on the wall there. A little diamond tread, a little retro seating. And I'll just show you what we got. I won't go over the whole menu. Honey garlic wings for $4.79. We got cheeseburgers over here. So just taste of cheeseburger, one of the classic cheeseburger combo, $2.90. But they got Philly cheesesteaks, and then they got the lunch sets. Now the lunch set is from 11 to 3, Monday through Friday. Yeah, folks, it's a cool little place. Like I said, right here in Koreatown. Like I just told the truck driver, hey man, take us up to the Jollibee. He's creeping up on the Jollibee. I told him, whoa, hold them horses, man. We ain't going to the Jollibee. We're going to 101 Top Wing. So he's out there waiting on us. She didn't want to get a cheesesteak. I do too. We probably should have went with a cheesesteak. By the time you take a trike over here, pay for a round trip trike ride, might as well sample everything they got. That way I can give you a good report on the different flavors. What do you think, babe? We should go with a Philly cheesesteak too? Huh? Of course, the Filipinos gonna say, yeah, we should go with it. What, baby?
What you eating?
Baby, we got 2 orders of wings and a cheeseburger.
Do you eat rice with that?
No, we're not eating rice. There's 3 orders of fries coming with that, baby.
Okay.
My goodness, see? No, there's no rice tonight. Folks got our to-go order. They got a little outside seating area right here. But with this sun beating down, we couldn't sit outside. We had to get a to-go order anyhow for wife number 1's over there. Now we gotta find our trike. Where's he at? Oh, there he is right there. Man, a lot of traffic comes through Koreatown here. Joking with that young lady in there. I was like, yeah, give me a couple bears. Oh, no, sir. This fucking liquor ban. There's Henry's Liquor House. Ain't got no gas in it. side coming into turn 2. Run, got campaign. The pum pum. So we got here. Whoa, baby blue. Yeah, come on out there. Maybe when we turn, look at that orange place and see if they got chicken over there tonight. Oh yeah. Ducking and weaving through that traffic. Maybe I can see the smoke. I can see the smoke from here. That orange one's got to have some bleach on. Oh yeah, they're smoking it up.
Yeah, they have.
Right there, yeah, the orange one. That smells good. We'll have to try that tomorrow night.
No, they have two.
And I'll just show you the burger here. This is a classic cheeseburger. Oh yeah, that's fresh. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. All right, folks, these are the honey barbecue wings. Oh man, they smell delicious. Now, these are the honey garlic. So the honey garlic are more of a dry, but I think these are gonna be my favorite, the honey barbecue. Oh yeah, that bun is. I mean, that bun is like just come out of the oven. It's fresh. Now, folks, the ladies have got a big old pot of rice. So they said, you know what? I said, just cut the cheeseburger up 3-4 ways. They said, no, you eat the cheeseburger. We got a big pot of rice, and they're gonna tear up the wings.
Son, what he did?
It looks like he's playing with the French fries. That's what 2-year-olds do. And here's a lesson, ladies. If you only put like 4 or 5 fries on there, he doesn't have 30 to throw around the room. There we go. Take a bite into this cheeseburger.
Delicious.
All right, this is one of the honey barbecue wings right here. Oh shit, it's hot. Let's check it out. That's the honey garlic right here. Let's see what we're working with. Yeah, folks, those wings are good. Cheeseburger's good. I mean, both the wings are excellent, but I prefer the honey barbecue. That sauce is just magnifique.